Thank you.
Go ahead, yeah.
Chicken, yeah. Fake ID. Got dropped off at the complete wrong side of the terminal, so now we gotta find Spirit. Starting off strong.
Right. Yeah, she looks good.
We're waiting here to fly Spirit for the very first time to go shoot Banging Gears in Vegas. So stay tuned for some crazy action that we can hopefully share sooner than later.
Right, as long as the plane lands.
Taking a tour, Dream
Racing, but we're at Las Vegas Motor Speedway.
Las Vegas Motor Speedway. We're getting ready. We're taking a tour. Today's our first day of shooting, so we're super excited for that. Today's day one of shooting. We're doing, I believe we're throwing the R8 and then we're driving on a dyno. And I think we're doing maybe a profile as well on me and Driveify, whatever. But it'll be super cool throwing on the dyno, see some numbers, and we're going to be under 600 horsepower in that class. So we'll be under that, don't worry. And then can I please get a grande iced almond milk latte?
Grande iced almond milk latte.
And do you have sugar-free vanilla?
Gucci.
Oh, lace up for the
Turns
dyno.
out Asa can tie his
Gotta
shoes.
lace up for the dyno.
We think.
This is insane. So we are at, I think we're at Iron's Motorsports. We're about to
I don't even know.
dyno all the cars.
Right here, hold on. Ross Motorsports.
Yeah. We're about to hop all the cars on the dyno. We're gonna see what our V8 R8 makes.
You want to model it for me for a second? Model it for me.
Can't hear you. What?
Okay, so they can't get the wheels off. What do you think
They don't
about
have a center lock? That's why I couldn't buy a 918. I was going to, but I was like, if I wanted the dyno, I can't actually buy it. I'm the photographer now. I think a hotel was like, you know what our best marketing idea could be? Put a big ass fountain in front and just make it go off like every hour. And people will come hang out. We have the meats.
Hello, guys.
World famous.
World famous. Came all the way here for this. Basically getting prepped for the day.
Today is day one or day two? Today's day two.
I mean, technically day one.
Technically, today is the real filming day, day one. We're heading to do the road course, so we're driving a V8 R8 against a built Subaru STI. So we'll see how it does.
Super versus tuner.
Yes.
So, I mean, feel free to talk about that a little bit back and forth and whatnot, you know.
group hug before you guys challenge each other? Group hug before you guys challenge each other?
Well, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end of...
Are you taking a picture or video?
Video right now. Ace's car for the day. That's what I'm gonna be racing. Good luck, buddy.
Thanks, Holmes.
Any final words?
Any final words? Wipe. No, yes. I'm gonna walk this STI. I'm gonna hopefully have a good lap time. Car's gonna stay in one piece. It's gonna be a good time. It's fine. It's fun. All for Hollywood, right? Bro,
Are you ready to rock, dude?
born ready.
Pairings fascinating. So we've just seen our first like sort of pairings go out, and it's just as soon as I see two cars next to each other.
Goodbye.
Day 3.
Day 3, allegedly, full day of racing. So we're gonna get there early. Road course, drag race against the Subi, which I'm very confident now that we did some practice laps. I don't think he has much track time. Super nice kid. The car's pretty quick, but he doesn't have much track experience. I think he blew a coupler yesterday, so we're good. We got the seat back.
Are you guys gonna be this cute to each other when you...
We're gonna hold hands the whole time around the track.
Just hands out the window.
I didn't want to do it.
Hi there.
Yeah. Just like grip, it was like, nope. Okay. But it was fine.
Asa, how many more times are we gonna hear about the tires before we leave?
Did you know this car tires? Tires or I have a V10 at home? Which one do you want?
Oh, so f***ing full of himself.
Someone else bust my balls for a car that's not mine, I swear to God. Ready for interview? Post-fight interview? Pre-fight interview, sorry. I'm gonna weigh in against the competition, show them what's up. Look, big piece. If I get stomped though, I'm assuming I can just...
Good luck.
I watch a little bit of YouTube, but I don't watch too much. So the names are kind of cool, you know, Glenn Davis, Adam LZ, the Hamilton collection. So there's a lot of cool names on there. I'm like, oh, I've seen you online. I've seen you in videos. You know, you have 500,000 followers. You have a Pagani. You have a Bugatti. So a lot of the people, I mean, Hamilton would be kind of cool. There's a few names on there that I saw. I mean, I'm happy to kind of reignite with my old Minneapolis crew, the Eurocharge guys, Lambo Dad, AJ's Garage, just kind of everyone. I mean, I'm super excited. Eat fresh.
Right, Subway delivery.
Banging gears, eat fresh.
2, 1. All right. How you feeling?
Good. 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 I'm happy. I wish I had a little bit of a better time, but with cold in the morning, the tires needed to get a little more warmed up, but we did the best we could.
Okay.
It's all right.
Well, look, you guys are first out. So you've set the benchmark. It's going to be.
You guys ready? the retail of one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. McLaren.
Go ahead, yeah.
Left. You're going to turn off to the left, and you just follow the road, and it'll bring you right back down to here. So just remember, it's a left-hand turn. When you get up to the top of the hill, it's time to be down to 35, 40, 30 mile an hour, so you can make the turn.
Alright guys, so we are finishing up our last day of filming Banging Gears here in Vegas. We're at the drag strip with Hamilton Collection. We're here with some sick drag racers, Sonic out of Connecticut. We are here with dragtimes.com. Pretty sick shooting days. Stay tuned.
Asa going to the f***ing bathroom again. How was the R8?
Slow as shit. It's missing 2 cylinders. And shitty tires.
Next time we're definitely bringing the other one.
Yeah. If there's a season 2 of this, my car will be here.
Dude, 100%.
We need to have a
Jacob.
race that STO gets the first, which is the STO breaks them. That's at least the correct TPU show up. So. In all seriousness, it's been a ton of fun shooting Banging Gears. Lots of hiccups. First time filming a show. Tons of fun.
Dude,
Stay tuned for the vlogs and the footage.
it's an insane week.
Insane week.